Hello dear students, I am Nitin Kavalia from Department of MBA, Saga Institute of Research and Technology Excellence, Bhopal. The topic that we are going to discuss today is for students of engineering background, BTech CS students, and the topic is emotional intelligence. This is from the subject Business Communication and Value Science of BTech CSBS 6th semester branch. The topic is emotional intelligence. So, starting about the introduction of emotional intelligence, it is the buzzword of today. There would be very few people who may not have heard of this term, though not everyone has a clear understanding of what the term denotes. We know about intelligence, what it means, and how it is measured. However, many researchers feel that intelligence is too narrow and conventional in its conception. There are many persons who are exceptional academically, yet are unable to be successful in their lives. They are found to be socially and professionally incompetent. How does one explain this discrepancy? It is now being realized that emotional quotient, often referred to as EQ, is far more important than intelligence quotient or IQ for work related, social, and individual outcomes. According to Daniel Goleman, if your emotional abilities aren't in hand, if you don't have self awareness, if you are not able to manage your distressing emotions, if you can't have empathy and have effective relationships, then no matter how smart you are not going to get very far. Emotional intelligence can be said to be an individual's ability to effectively manage emotions of self as well as of others around them, deal competently with social situations, make appropriate decisions, and forge ahead in the different arenas of life. It is the individual's capacity to recognize, understand, and manage the feelings of self and others. It also refers to the extent of influence on the emotional responses of others. The individual's capacity to handle frustrations, deal with setbacks, manage emotional reactions, and get along with others also falls in the purview of emotional intelligence. Now we come to the definition of emotional intelligence. The Cambridge English Dictionary defines emotional intelligence as the ability to understand and control your own feelings and to understand the feelings of others and react to them in a suitable way. Peter Salovey and John Mayer defined emotional intelligence as the ability to monitor one's own and others' feelings and emotions, to discriminate among them, and use this information to guide one's thinking actions. According to Daniel Goleman, emotional intelligence is understanding one's own feelings, empathy for feelings of others, and regulation of emotions in a way that enhances living. Now we see the difference in a workplace, the difference between the employees who are having high emotional intelligence versus those who are having low emotional intelligence. So the employees with high EQ make informed decisions, they are problem solvers, they do well under pressure, they are better at conflict resolution, and have empathy towards co-workers. On the contrary, the employees with low EQ avoid taking responsibility, they are passive or aggressive, they are bad in team settings, and they are overall very critical. Now we discuss the emotional significance of emotional intelligence. The significance of EI can be seen in every sphere of individual functioning. It is discussed as follows. It facilitates resilience, motivation, empathy, stress management, communication, and our ability to read, understand, and navigate social situations. It affords one the opportunity to live a more fulfilled and happy life. It plays an important aspect of academic and work related success, as well as mental and physical health. It helps to form social relationships. Well, now we discuss why EI is important for engineers. Engineers work in teams, they need collaboration, they handle deadlines and pressure, so they need emotional control, they deal with clients and stakeholders, so they need empathy, and they on the leadership roles they need people management. So these are the fields where engineers need emotional intelligence. So that is all in today's lecture. Thank you for watching.